So here's a way how I stretch um, laundry softener. Personally, I don't like to use laundry softener, but I have a teenager who likes smell, and honestly, the smell is good. This is Dawny Calm, and I use vinegar. That's it. Those two ingredients. So I pour approximately half. It's kind of hard to tell because this one doesn't have, like that little line here to see where the marking is. So I'm kind of guessing. Um, this holds 5 liters, 1.3 gallons, and this holds 3.4 gallons. So I put some vinegar in here already, and this is my fresh bottle. So this is undiluted. So I've already patted some vinegar in there. Actually, the easier way, the mess-free way, would be to just do the spigot. So I just open it up and let it go. No, uh-oh. I made a mess. Let me put it a little closer. All right, I'll have to scoop that up later. So I have done this before, and it worked wonderfully. So why I use vinegar? Honestly, I used to use vinegar, as my regular laundry softener because I don't like using chemicals. I have children that have sensitive skin, so I'm always trying to find natural ways to do stuff, but with good quality. I don't want to have natural laundry, but it's dingy and it's stinky. So the vinegar helps it to still have that static clean, and it's soft still, and there's no smell. You can't smell the vinegar. So I actually also used to do this with just the $1 fabric softener from the Dollar Tree, which is obviously no longer Dollar Tree. So I would like take this and like empty it to here and just put that bottle in there. So it doesn't even have to be half and half. I just have it enough so that you can still smell it. So honestly, it doesn't have to be 50-50. You can either, you know, mix this amongst 3 or 4. It's up to you how much smell you want. But I don't mind doing half and half. That's typically enough. I don't want to do too much because I do have to scoop this once I turn off the camera of the little mess that I made. And so basically when I'm done, I close this. I don't want to shake this because this is a little bit of a mess on my panel here. I basically just add the rest into this one. And then when I'm done, I shake it. And then I use it as I would normally use any other laundry softener. You don't have to measure it, in a certain way. You just use it the same way. And the smell is still there. It's not subtle. The smell still lasts for days. And I honestly don't notice a big difference. So everyone's happy. My daughter likes the smell. My husband loves the smell. And I like the smell. It's not a bad smell. But if you don't want to do Downy, like I said, you can just get some of the, go to the quote unquote Dollar Tree, dollar-ish tree, or $1.25 tree, whatever they call themselves, and just do that. So you don't have to spend this. This is actually on sale for like $7. So at Costco. So I think I got a pretty good deal considering um, diluting it. So you can do this with any laundry softener that you like, but maybe the smell is really strong and you're just like, if you just don't like the smell, that's a whole different story. But if you don't mind the smell, but it's too strong, you can do it that way too. You don't have to be stretching Dallas like I do. Hope this helpful, and have any questions, let me know.